In this video, I'll show you how to scan on your Canon Pixma TS3420 using three methods directly from the printer, with your phone, and with a computer. Method 1. Scan using the printer only. 1. Load paper in the rear tray. Printer prints the scan. 2. Open the scanner lid and place the document face down, aligned with the arrow. 3. Close the lid. 4. Press black for B&W or color for color. 5. The scan page prints automatically. Method 2. Scan using your phone, Android or iPhone. 1. Install Canon Print Inkjet Selfie app. 2. Turn on printer and open the app. 3. Register the printer and connect it to Wi-Fi. 4. Place document face down on the scanner and close the lid. 5. Tap scan in the app. 6. For multiple pages, replace the paper and tap scan again. 7. Tap exit to save and share the file. Method 3. Scan using a computer. 1. Install Canon drivers. Software from Canon's website. 2. Connect the printer to the same Wi-Fi as the PC. 3. Open Canon Utilities, then IJ Scan Utility. 4. Choose document or photo. 5. Scan one or multiple pages, then click Exit. 6. Find the file in the saved folder. Location can be changed in settings.